Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to discuss about review journal. But firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Adelina Shakina Ridongoran and I'm from Inkijang. So, in this opportunity, I would like to present my presentation. Then, the purpose of my presentation is so that the audience can understand about our material discussed on today's topic. First, I will explain about the journal. The title of the journal is Improving Student Reading Skill Through the Use of Reciprocal Teaching Technique. The name of the author is Mas Pufa. And the last, the journal was published on February 2019. Alright, I would like to review an abstract from this journal. The purpose of this research was to find out the reader reciprocal teaching strategy able to improve the student reading comprehension and also find out the factor which influence an improvement of the student reading skill. The research was an action research. The participants of the research were the third semester students of 2018 until 2019 academic year of STIBA Persada Bunda Pekanbaru, which consists of 13 students. The instruments used to collect data were from observation checklist, field notes, interview, and reading text. There are some factors that influence the student in reading. Some experts have identified a number of factors affecting comprehension skill. There are 5 factors which affect comprehension skill. First factor is intelligence. Every student has a different level of intelligence, so it will be possible for them to produce different comprehension. The number of ideas that she or he understands, the depth of her or his understanding will be depending on her or his general capacity or to learn. Next is experience. Students with limited experience may have difficulty in comprehending many of ideas and activities which other students are familiar before they come to school. The last, in mechanism of reading. Students, if they have all mastered the skill of the word, attack the word meaning. There are some strategies and techniques which can be applied to teach reading comprehension, such as collaborative strategy reading, 2. Transactional strategies instruction, 3. Reciprocal teaching, and so on. Due to the needs, find a strategy to improve not only student score but also student interaction. Reciprocal teaching technique is an effective way to improve student reading comprehension. It was developed by segregating a social setting in which students study in a small group. Reciprocal teaching is an instructional procedure in which teacher and student take turns leading discussion of the text. The teacher and student take turns leading discussion about shared text for comprehension strategies. First, prediction. 2. Clarification. 3. Summarization. And 4. Question generate. From the definition, it can be inferred that reciprocal teaching is a technique used to develop comprehension of the text, which teacher and student take turns leading a dialogue concerning section of the text. There are 4 activities that are incorporated into the technique: summarizing, questioning, classifying, and predicting. Reciprocal teaching is a suitable technique to be applied for improving student interaction during the process. The strategy which includes the 4 basic techniques help them learn how to learn, remember, and motivate themselves. The technique may serve the good ways in raising student motivation, cooperation, and responsibility. The conclusion is the successful of reciprocal teaching strategy in improving student reading comprehension was influenced by several factors such as classroom activity, material, teacher knowledge, and assessment activities.